Hey everybody, this is Leanna from Moments of Adventure, and in the video today I'm going to go over how we Vegas. So I get asked a lot, or actually Dale and I get asked a lot, how we go to Vegas so much and isn't it expensive? Number one, yes it is expensive, but number two, and probably the most important, is you gotta look for the deals. So I'm going to go over today a little bit about how we go to Vegas and how we save money everywhere we can. So the first thing I'm going to do today is I'm going to show you myvegas. It's an app you can get on your phone or your iPad or whatever device that you have, that you can play games for free and earn points for Vegas rewards. So I'm going to show it to you on my computer because it's easier. But I play on my iPad or my phone. So this is the myvegas website, and this reflects or mirrors kind of what you see in the app. So if you go into the App Store, or you can play on Apple or on Google Play, but you're gonna look for My Konami Slots or myvegas Blackjack, which I really like because it's blackjack. myvegas Bingo, which I kind of like because it's different. And in the myvegas Bingo app, you can see your rewards super easy because you can filter it by location, which you can't really do in some of the other apps. And then there's also Pop Slots, which is kind of fun because you can go in and play actual slots on the Pop Slots. Each of the games are completely and totally free. There are in-app purchases that you can make. So if you run out of your fake money and want to continue playing bingo, or want to continue playing the slots and you run out of fake money, then you can put real money into the app to gain more fake money. I don't do that. I just, because you get free money, free fake money every day. And so I play with the rewards that you get every day. But every minute you spend in the app, in the myvegas app, gets you reward points for good stuff in Vegas. You can earn things like 2-for-1 drinks. You can earn reduced room rates. But the thing you need to know is these are all for MGM properties. And MGM has several hotels in Vegas, starting from the Mandalay, the Luxor, Excalibur, the MGM, obviously. New York is an MGM property. Park MGM, the Bellagio, and well, Cosmo, they just bought the Cosmopolitan, but it's not in the rewards yet. And they still have, even though MGM just sold the Mirage, it's still in the app, so you can still get your free things there until the new owners completely take over. So anyway, that's number one. Because it's tied to an MGM property, to really get those comps, you also have to have an MGM card. So to get the MGM card, you need to go to mgmrewards.com. So when you go to MGM Resorts, if you do not have a loyalty card already, and again, the loyalty card is free, but that's where it's gonna house all of your free stuff and your comps for rooms. So one of our kind of golden rules is if we want to get the cheapest room possible. So we like to get comped rooms where you only have to pay for the resort fees. So when you look at hotel rooms, you need to make sure that you take the resort fees into account because they're usually not listed with the main price, but they are tacked on. Okay, so you're gonna log into MGM Rewards and you're going to click up here in the top where it says Join Now. And in the Join Now button, you can put in all of your information, and then you will be signed up for an MGM Rewards card. When you go into your first MGM hotel, go up to customer service, have them print one, because you'll need that when you play in machines, or if you go out to eat, or any of those other things you need. The very first time you sign up, you are going to be a Sapphire member. And in here, it'll tell you everything you know about the tiers, because there's a tiered program. It starts with Sapphire, goes to Pearl, goes to Gold. There's lots of different perks with each one. The cool thing about when you get to Pearl, though, you do get free parking, so that's fun. The other part of the benefits and how we've moved up in the tier system, and we're not by far at the most extreme tier, but we are above Sapphire. So, and that is when you are in Vegas, every time that you eat out at an MGM property, take your receipt back to the customer service desk and have them load those points, that dollar amount, into your card, because it'll help you advance to the next tier. So what I learned is, even if you give them your card at the restaurant, sometimes it doesn't really load to your points. So anytime, like a lot of the MGM properties will have a Starbucks on site, those Starbucks points go towards your points. Any restaurant you eat at goes in towards your points. If you do entertainment or things like that, that also goes to your points. So everything you do, not just gambling, adds to your points. So that, in a nutshell, is how we get a lot of our MGM points in our free comped rooms. Because if you think about it, if you get a discounted or a free room, then you have more money for other things. You have more money for eating out, you have more money for entertainment, you have more money for gambling, you know, whatever it is. So the idea is to save the money to get you there, and then your vacation starts. Okay, so between the myvegas app and the MGM points in conjunction are how you can really earn up those points and get those comps. The other thing we do is we look at YouTube. There's a ton of different activities that you can learn about via YouTube. A lot of the restaurants and bars will have happy hours that we have found on YouTube. And our favorite thing to do in Las Vegas, which is not really free, nor is it cheap, but that is to go to speakeasies. And everything that we've learned about speakeasies, we've learned from watching YouTube, except for going there ourselves, which is completely awesome. So use your resources to find cool and fun things to do while you're in Vegas. So I hope this helps you. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. We're trying to get to 100 subscribers. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please make sure to do so. And have a great day, and I hope you have a great time in Vegas.